What's up, Martin? Yeah.
Oh, come on.
Sumakit ang ulo ko, ha?
Shot. Come on.
Bumati ka muna. Magpasalamat tayo.
Yes, let's start with a Basta Hot Pandesal baked fresh every 20 minutes, country style. Donuts, bakery, deli, and cafe, and Dunkin' Donuts, pasalubong ng bayan.
Sidebar Cafe, now in its 10th year, great dishes, cool music, and real people. Tante Flores of Mixed Greenbelt, Armida King of Think Big, Glorieta, Pitpit Mercado, Brand F, Glorieta, Paulo Raimundo, Patrice Ramos Diaz, Ino Soto, for Claudine's Gowns, and yours.
Thank you. You do that so well. You know that? You're so... Vienna cakes, art cakes, king cakes, puro cakes, cake concepts, shower of the blessing flower shop, the Swan catering services, Liwanag candles, because without it, it's not Liwanag, for sponsoring Claudine's candles and souvenirs.
Liwanag, hindi liwanag.
Ano sabi mo?
Liwanag.
Sorry, man.
Liwanag. Okay, mga kaibigan, kung may isang bagay na napaka-consistent po sa ating mga manonood, yan po ang hilig po natin mga Pinoy na umiyak.
Totoo yan.
Di ba, walang kapaltos-paltos.
That's very, very true. And I do it daily yan. Every single day. Day in, day out sa mga teleserya.
At syempre, sino makakalimot sa anim na pangalang sina Via, Rosenda, Rosemary, Rosario, Angelina at Angeline.
That's right.
At ang bawat isa sa anim na yan ay kinampanan po ni Miss Claudine Barreto.
That's true.
At may kakabit ding pamilya na naging bahagi na po ng kanyang buhay, bahay at pamilya ng bawat Pilipino.
And that's not the end of it. That's right. Up to now, Claudine's teleserye families are still very much a part of every Pinoy household. I'm talking to everybody watching now.
I know why. Dahil halos lahat ng mga big stars ng teleserye ngayon mula sa iba't ibang istasyon galing sa pamilya nina Via, Rosenda, Rosemary, Rosario, Angelina at Angeline.
It only proves one thing. Not so big, Claudine's teleserye family has now even grown even bigger.
At ang good news, nandito po silang lahat para makiselebrate with Claudine.
Together with Between Escalante, Rosel, and Nusal Nava,
Desa and 92 AD.
who you just met. Here are
My
the
friends.
stars of Mula sa Puso. Saan ka man naroroon at sa dulo na walang hanggan.
Family, Ricardo Cepeda, Ricky Davao, Jacqueline Jose, Ana Larosea, Shaina Magdaya, Candy Pangilinan, Princess Punsalan, and Efren Reyes Jr. family, Charlie Davao. Debra Liz, Carla Estrada, Leandro Muñoz, Cherry Pie Picache, Gladys Reyes, and Fanny Serrano. Walang Hanggan family, Direk Wen Deramas, Kay Abad, Carlos Agassi, Luis Alandi, Adrian Albert, Robert Arevalo, Boots Anson Roa, Gretchen Barreto, Justin Guyugan, Serena Del Ripo, Matet De Leon, Nestor De Villa, Maylene Dizon, Eugene Domingo, Ena Garcia, Don Laurel, Jojit Lorenzo, Victor Neri, Pilar Pilabil, Camille Prats, Dennis Roldan, Dennis Trillo, and Miss Gloria Romero. At ang mga habang buhay na makakasama pa rin ng buong pamilya, Miss Chanito Solis, Miss Nida Blanca, Mr. Ricky Belmonte, and Rico Yama.
po sa inyong lahat. At sa inyong lahat na nandito on stage, sa aking tunay na pamilya dito sa industriya. Sa teleserye, I love you too. Kayo mga kapamilya ko at patuloy na mananatiling kapamilya ko habang buhay. At sa lahat ho ng mga nandito at nanonood, mula ho sa aming mga puso, saan man kayo naroroon, mananatili kayo sa aming mga puso hanggang sa dulo ng walang hanggan. Thank you.